Did you know that sciatica affects between 10% to 40% of people at some point in their lives? If you've ever felt that sharp, shooting pain down your leg, you know how intense it can be. Today we're breaking down why sciatica hurts so much and what you can do about it. Sciatica isn't just a pain in the back. It's a condition that can disrupt daily life for millions of people worldwide. Understanding the science behind sciatica is key to managing it effectively. In this video, we'll explore the causes, the anatomy involved, and what makes this condition so uniquely painful. Let's talk about the problem. Sciatica occurs when the sciatic nerve, your body's largest nerve, gets irritated or compressed. The pain can range from a dull ache to sharp, debilitating discomfort, often radiating from the lower back to the leg. For some, it's a one-time issue, but for others, it becomes a chronic struggle that affects walking, sitting, and even sleeping. The real challenge? Managing sciatica isn't always straightforward. Misdiagnosis, ineffective treatments, and ongoing pain can leave people frustrated and stuck. To understand why sciatica hurts so bad, we need to look at the anatomy. The sciatic nerve runs from your lower spine, through the hips and buttocks, and down each leg. It controls sensation and muscle function in the lower body. But when this nerve gets pinched by a herniated disc, bone spur, or even tight muscles like the piriformis, it triggers inflammation, leading to pain and sometimes numbness or weakness. Here's the science. When the nerve is compressed, it sends pain signals to the brain. Inflammation around the nerve further amplifies these signals, creating that sharp, shooting pain we associate with sciatica. And because the nerve is so long, the pain can travel far from the source, making it harder to pinpoint. Here's the big takeaway. Understanding why sciatica occurs is a game changer. By identifying the root cause, whether it's a herniated disc, poor posture, or muscle imbalances, you can target the right treatment. Physical therapy, anti-inflammatory strategies, and even small lifestyle changes like improved posture or ergonomic adjustments can reduce pressure on the nerve. The key is addressing the underlying issue, not just the symptoms. To recap, sciatica is painful, but it's not unbeatable. By understanding the anatomy, causes, and mechanisms of this condition, you're already one step closer to relief. Knowledge is power, and in this case, it's the path to pain management. Have you experienced sciatica? Share your story in the comments. We'd love to hear how you've managed it. And don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips on pain management and healthy living. See you next time.